Be blessed by the divine. Guruve Tunai. You might have heard the terms such as Saha Talai, Vehakal, and Poha Punal. What is the explanation given by the Saint Vallalar about these terms? What he mean by Saha Talai? It is Jnanam, Wisdom, Sat, Adi, and Anadi. All these terms denotes the divine state. Saha means no death or end. Talai means prime thing. The divine is Adi and Anadi because nothing is there to be compared with the divine. How our Guru Sri Vethathiri Maharishi explains the term Saha Talai. It is the divine state having the attributes of plenum, force, consciousness, and time. The primordial divine state, by its inherent force and consciousness, evolved into everything, grows, remains, and ends in the divinity itself. So remains as plenum, that is, as undiminishing stock force. It neither perish nor diminish. It is Akshayam. So it is Sahatalai. What Vallalar mean by Vehakal? What Vallalar mean? The word Vehakal. Vehakal denotes the imperishable life force which comes into being during birth and exit at death. The life force never varies, never deviates from the absolute space. Our Guru also denotes the term Vehakal as imperishable life force. He says the absolute space is expanding. The inherent, intermittent compressive pressure, that is the self-compressive pressure force, gives rise to, that is the divine gives rise to formative dust, the God particle. The God particle conglomerate together to form the Agash. The same Agash is life force in the living beings. The life force, depending on their number in grouping, form the Panchapudas, namely air, fire, water, and soil. Panchapudas combined in a suitable ratio forms non-living and living beings. Our Guru says the Agash is non-living matter, is the life force in the living being. The Agash in the non-living matter is the life force in the living beings. The life force is imperishable, came into being at birth, exit at death. The life force, being generated from the divine, never varies from the divine, cannot be perished by anything. So it is Vehakal. Here a question may arise in our mind, then why man with this divine life force varies each other, sometimes behave like animals? The sin imprints inherited to him from the animals and from the first man onwards is the reason for his cruelty. What is Poha Punal? Vallala says, it is the physical and psychic growth of the life force which dwells in the self. How our Guru explains the Poha Punal. The life force, due to self-surrounding pressure force of the divine, rotates at a very high speed, emits the formative dust, which combines with the surrounding divine consciousness, form the magnetic waves. The magnetic waves in the universe is the universal magnetism. In the living being, it is the biomagnetism. The universal and biomagnetism is all penetrative, all pervading medium. It is known as Poha Punal. It is Anandam because it is flourished into everything in the universe. The Sat, that is the divine, and the Sit, the life force, combined and form the Anandam. Sat is divine, Sit is life force, Anandam is all penetrative, all pervading magnetism. Thus it was explained by our Guru. By knowing we as Sat, the divine, and everyone is me in another form, we must always do good to others and strive to remove the miseries of others. By knowing all this, let us live a peaceful, happy, and karma yogic life. வாழ்க வளமுடன். வாழ்க வையகம். வாழ்க வளமுடன்.